In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily plan with TickTick. We'll build a simple structure you can use every day, starting in the Today view and setting up lists for different parts of your day, then adding tasks so everything rolls up neatly into your agenda. First, open the TickTick web app and head to the Today view. This is your command center where anything scheduled for the day appears. Keeping today as your anchor makes it easy to see what's due without hopping around. Next, open the Lists panel on the left. This is where all your projects, categories, or routines live. Click the plus sign to create a new list. Give it a clear name, something like morning task, so it's obvious when and how you'll use it. Consistent naming helps when your setup grows. Pick a list color that stands out and fits your system. Colors act as visual cues, so consider using warm tones for morning and cooler tones for evening. Then choose a view type. A standard list view keeps things simple and linear, while Kanban-style boards can help if you like to move tasks through stages. Choose what you'll actually stick with. Assign the list to a folder if you already organize by areas like personal, work, or routines. Folders keep the sidebar tidy and make it easier to focus. Next, choose the list type. Keep it as a regular task list if you plan to add to-dos with due dates, reminders, or subtasks. That works best for daily planning. Make sure the option to show items in smart lists is enabled. This ensures anything in this list will surface in views like today or next 7 days, so you won't miss a thing. When everything looks good, click Add to create the list. Open your new morning list and click Add task to start capturing your first item. Keep tasks actionable and specific. Short, clear phrases are easier to complete and check off. Now, click the plus sign again to create a second list for the evening. Name it Night Task so your day is bookended by two focused lists. As before, choose a color, pick the view type, assign a folder if needed, select the list type, and confirm it appears in Smart Lists. Click Add to finalize it. Open your night list and click Add Task to begin populating your nightly routine. With both lists created and tied into today, your daily plan will flow naturally from morning to night. Keep your lists lean, review them in today each morning, and adjust colors or views as your needs evolve. That's all you need to create a reliable daily plan in TickTick.